Happy Saturday, everyone, and welcome to Module 8. This is week 8, our last week together in this course. This week, we are going to be reading chapter 15. And when you are reading 15, make sure in your textbook, make sure to look at the different aspects of communications with families. You'll be able to at least list at least 5. You want to describe how portfolios are used in family communications. You'll be learning about that. You'll also be able to discuss a teacher's role in her interaction with the child and also contrast the differences in families and how that affects the teachers and our curriculum, right? This is the SLO we're covering this week, which is identifying and evaluate the role of partnerships with families and other professionals in utilizing interpretations of our observational data tools. And then you're going to want to take the quiz for chapter 15, and that's worth 10 points. Again, it's due by Friday, as well as the final exams. Both of those are due by Friday, December 11th, and they're due by 11:59. Now, for this final exam, as you know, the quizzes, you get 2 opportunities, and the computer app automatically takes your highest. Well, for the final exam, you only have 1 opportunity. So make sure you take that final study guide that I have provided for you. Take really good notes because those are all the key terms that are on the final. If you have that, and if you have a couple of your quizzes as well, I would review your quizzes before taking the final. But if you have all that information in front of you, you should do really great on your final exam. And if you have any questions, as usual, please feel free to shoot me an email. We won't be meeting this week, so I really hope to see all of you in future courses at both Santa Ana and SCC. Take care and have a fabulous week.